Hello guys, this is my 2019 Honda Accord, and there's a problem with these vehicles that you may already know. But if you are a new owner and user of a Honda Accord, ranging from the years 2018 up to 2020, and the problem that is a rattling coming from near the glove box or under the steering wheel, and as you drives you can hear rattling like sheet metal bumping into your vehicle, and you might be thinking could be the firewall. Other people might say is your heater box. In reality, I'm going to show you what exactly it is. I had this problem a couple weeks ago, and finally a good Honda technician was able to figure it out. That end cap right there for the top of your strut bar, or we say this is what it secures or covers your strut lock nut. That right there is what is exactly making the rattling in the vehicle. These two that I have here over are the brand new design. They are made for the 2022, and now they're getting replaced by the dealership at no cost to you, so you can get rid of that rattling. Believe me, it makes a big difference. Even though I still don't understand how something that is made out of rubber makes so much vibrant sound, and it travel all the way through the firewall inside to the vehicle, and it sounds inside the cabin as metal rattling. But it's exactly this is the problem. We drove the car without the old ones, and it made a really big difference without them. The problem with this thing here, the original design from 2018 mounted to 2020s, these things they get loose in the bottom. There's a plastic lip that gets loose, and then this thing here starts rattling like this. Believe it or not, all that sound travel to the metal. But if you have that rattling noise that you can't figure it out what exactly is, start with this. Before you touch your heater box, before you touch anything else within the firewall or anything within your engine, trust me, it's this.